What is going on, everybody? Today we're going over Kroger Stock, ticker symbol KR. It's quite unknown stock, not very popular compared to, let's say, a Walmart stock in the grocery section. But who knows? We're gonna go over the fair value. We're gonna go over the fair value to find exactly what Kroger is worth compared to where they are now, as well as the price that we will be a buyer according to the Buffett ratio that is found in the book The Intelligent Investor. We're gonna find all the stuff that we need to put in the Excel. So without further ado, let's get started with Kroger. I'm in Yahoo Finance. This is the company of the day, the Kroger Stock, ticker symbol KR. Not a lot of people talk about, because people go to Walmart to make their grocery shopping or Costco, but Kroger, they're super big. They're just not in most states. They're not in my state as far as I know. Let's see what we got here. Price almost $34 today. 52-week range from 27 to 32. 1 year target to finish 2021 is like 35, which is what, 2-3% from here. Not a big deal. They do pay a nice dividend compared to the others, Walmart and Costco, 2.14%, so that's good. 25 billion market cap, that's why they're super small. I don't think they're nationwide. Let's see if you scroll down for the description. Look at this. Grocery store, they got 500,000 workers, full-time employees. If I want to see what we got, the company operates 2,757 retail stores under the brand name in 35 states. So they're not in my state, including District of Columbia, as well as online. Strategic partnership with Ocado Solution, construct 3 new customer fulfillment center in the Great Lakes, Pacific Northwest, and the West region. Company was founded in 1883, and they are in Cincinnati, Ohio, located, the main headquarters. So they're not gonna go anyway. This is probably a slow and steady. We're gonna see what they have to say, what the numbers have to say to find if it's worth 33, more or less, and can they compete with the growth of Walmart and Costco for that matter. So yeah, let's do that. So I need to put in the Excel 2 numbers. The first one is this one, EPS trailing 12 months earning per share. I putting 374. That's the first one, and then you go to the analysis tab, scroll down, and let's see what we got. And we got the next 5 years growth, 8%. So I'm putting this number in, 8.03. Let's see, compared to the last 5 years, they grew by 4%, okay? And the next 5 years, they're doubling the growth, which is a good thing, and they're gonna grow by 8%. Walmart is moving from 0.5, half a percent, to 7%. So again, Walmart still to the win compared to Costco and compared to Kroger. As of now, next year for some reason you see a negative 20% growth. It's not good. Next quarter 25% negative growth. Current year, so they grew a lot in 2020, but I assume competition, Walmart, everyone are just food prices going up. They don't have the same leverage on the wholesalers like Walmart does to negotiate reduced prices. Walmart has a lot of power for that, and that's why I think they're gonna negative growth of 20% next year. It's not a good sign. Either way, I'm gonna put this number in the Excel, the 8% plus what we got in the earning per share. So let's do that. Go over some financials number of Kroger stock. Let's see what we got. Total revenue, I want to see a climb. I see 122 billion 3 years ago, 121, 122, doesn't move much, and then to 130. So that's good. That's good. Let's see how much they got as gross and as net. So you take this, the gross profit, 30 billion, 32 for 1, and you divide it by the total revenue, the 130, 654. Walmart had about 25% gross. Costco had 11% gross. Let's see how much Kroger has. 23%. That's not bad. 23% gross margin. for Costco, for Kroger. Let's see the net. And we got ourselves diluted net income. Look at this. They jumped from 1.6 billion to 3 billion, almost 100% jump in the net. Maybe it's undervalued and people don't talk about it because not a lot of people go to Kroger. As far as I don't know. They're not in my state, so I don't know what they have compared to Walmart. But either way, you take this number, 2954, and you divide it again, the net income, by the total revenue. So I divided by 136.54, and you get the net income, which is, let's say Walmart has 6%, Costco has about 2.5%. Let's see how much Kroger has net. 2.26%. So Costco is at 2.5%, Kroger at 2.26%. Yeah, and all the power and all the margin and all the leverage and all negotiation goes to Walmart yet again. Can't really compete with Walmart, and if you do, they're gonna win. Let's go over the balance sheet. In the balance sheet, I wanna see that it's growing the assets first of all. So we got 37 to 38. And the last year, everyone just went to buy instead of spend money on everything. They just spend money on grocery. So they went from 38 to 45 billion. That's not a bad jump. Let's see how is the long-term debt. Are they healthy and can they pay it? So you take this number, long-term debt, 18 billion, 18.6, yeah, and you divide it. Go back to the income statement, back to the net income. And as I keep saying to you guys, the net income is the most important number of them all. You divide it by 2954, and you want to see a number of 4 and below. Let's click enter. 6.3. Not good. Not ideal. It's good, but it's not ideal. It's gonna take them, let's say, 6 years and a quarter to pay their long-term debt. Walmart is around 3 years. Your ratio should be below 4. Walmart is like 3 years, and Costco is like 2.5. So Kroger doesn't pass go. They fail in the long-term debt. Plus the net income, the net income 2.26. That's not a lot. That's not a lot to go. It is grocery stores, but Walmart is almost at 6. Imagine the power that Walmart has compared. They can just buy Kroger if they want to and make Walmart like a superstore. Let's move on to the cash. What we got in the cash flow. Issuing more stocks, not a lot, 120 million. Issue of debt, 1.6 billion, but they did a repayment of 1.7 billion. So this one basically cut the other, so just break even. Just refinance the debt to probably something cheaper. They did a nice buyback. That's a good thing. Repurchase of stock compared to 400 million. They got 1.4 billion. So they added $1 billion to buyback of their stock. Meaning the company, the management thinks that the Kroger stock is cheap. And it probably is cheap. They know a lot better than me about Kroger stock. Free cash flow, look at this, also jumped between 1.5 billion to 3.6 billion. As I said, everyone just going to buy food. Not everyone. The average American just go and buy food with the extra money that they have, or the basic money that they have. They don't spend on luxury, at least not in 2020. And 2021, we just started, but so far nothing really changed. I would give Costco, between the three, Walmart, Costco, and Kroger, definitely Walmart. Just my opinion, not financial advice. But I would give them, 7 out of 10. Because the cash flow is good, the net margin is not good, and 6 years to pay off the long-term debt, it's not great at all, but it's also not Bank of America for like 13 or 15 years. Something like that. Let's find the fair value. Yeah. In order to find the fair value in the Excel, we need just Google the name Kroger Corporate Bond, and let's see what we got. I'm looking for the highest number. So I got 295. That's around Walmart level. Walmart is like 250, something like that. This one is 7.5%. That's high for grocery store, but I might take this one. 615 and 295. So I will take this one. 7.5 is too much. 615 is what I think should be not ideal, but that's the one that I'm gonna take. The higher it is, the better, more conservative you will get. So I'm gonna put 615 in the Excel. Let's do that. This is the Excel, guys. How to value a stock like Mr. Buffett. Company name Kroger, KR. EPS, we found this one on the Yahoo Finance. This one, PE 8.5, is a constant from the book The Intelligent Investor. Growth, also from Yahoo Finance, another constant from the book. And we're gonna put 615 right here. Basically, once I click enter, I'm gonna find the fair value of Kroger stock as well as the price that I will be a buyer, which is about 33% discount from the fair value. Before I hit enter, guys, let me do a little introduction. My name is Ziv, also known as Finance After 40. While I am new to YouTube, I have about 20,000 community members following me on TikTok. We also have a Patreon page where we sell options for income. We are using Market Chameleon software where you can generate trades and get more income bang for your buck, as well as this Excel that you can find all the good stuff in the description below. You can grab a copy of this Excel and just analyze any stock that you want. As long as the earning per share is a positive and the growth is a positive, you can find the fair value. Tesla, whatever that you want, should be here as well. Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon. There's so many, whatever that you like. This is not for IPO stocks that have a negative earning per share. This is for profitable stock. This is how Buffett start his analyzing stocks since the 1960s. Basically, pretty powerful. All I did was just taking the stuff that was put in the book and put it in a nice Excel. And feel free to grab a copy of that Excel in the description below. Yeah, let's find the fair value of Kroger stock. Basically, let's find the fair value of Kroger stock. So, dam. Okay, not bad at all. Double from here, $65. And the price that we will be a buyer is anything below 44, and we are at 33. So it's pretty cheap. They're paying a nice dividend. They have a 25 billion market cap. It's not a 400 billion Walmart. They're not compared to Walmart. They're good. Don't get me wrong. They're good. They just Walmart can just squash them if they want to. I don't know if Walmart want to squash them. But either way, they are undervalued compared to the Benjamin Graham, The Intelligent Investor book. That's what we got. I don't know. Comment below if you have shares of Kroger. Guys, gain any value from me at all today, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, leave a like, and also leave a comment which stock would you like me to do next, and I will do my best to add them to my to-do list and do it in the future. Only if you gain value, subscribe. Also check the description for this Excel and other stuff, Patreon, selling options for income. Just try to make money slowly. I'm not here to make money fast. I'm here to make money slowly and grow my value portfolio over time. I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Yeah.